Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. The study of earthquakes is known as seismology. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? Stratosphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many countries? 17. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? 8. The Indian Standard Meridian passes through how many Indian states? 5. The Western Ghats in India are also known as Sahyadri. Which country has the maximum number of time zones? France. The equator passes through how many continents? 4. The Panama Canal connects which two oceans? Atlantic and Pacific. Which instrument is used to measure rainfall? Rain gauge. El Nino is related to? Ocean temperature. Which mountain range separates Europe from Asia? Ural Mountains. Which forest type is also called rainforest? Tropical evergreen forest. The highest plateau in the world is? Tibetan Plateau.